Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. This is my first garden update for this year, 2019. I filmed it when it was a lot smaller, but I just never did get that footage uploaded because of issues going on in my life. But so here's our garden update. Ricky's in the garden. He'll talk to you about it. So take her away, Ricky.
These are my tomato plants. As you see, they're quickly approaching 5 foot. My little dwarf tomato plant over here finally got on up, and it's starting to take on off now. But they are blocking a lot of the sun away from the pepper plants. I have a little one here, one that's pretty big here, a little over knee high. And I'm not a very tall person, so that's probably a couple of feet tall.
This tomato plant kind of got away from us out of its little cage.
I got it in the cage, yeah.
Look, show our peppers. Now, the banana pepper plants are some that Mom had bought. That was extra. And yeah, we got a little blight on our tomatoes. We always do. We got some tomatoes there. We got a couple of big ones right here that they're probably trying to hide from me. Ricky don't want me to pick them yet because he wants some ripe tomatoes, and I do too. But I'm wanting to pick some and fry them up on my griddle. So, which really he don't care. Like he just said, we all know who will win that. So anyway, these are, all of this is just purple hull peas. Several years ago, I bought some. We planted them. And this is like a childhood memory of Ricky's with his grandparents doing garden. His granddad even did his own strand of purple hulls. So we haven't bought any more. We just keep recycling them and regrowing them. And I call the little seed pods antennas. See, if you can see that right there. The little antenna will grow 2 little pea pods out of it, but they'll keep reproducing and stuff.
And we planted them 18 inches apart, but as you see,
they've really
touched each other.
Yeah, we planted each row 18 inches apart, and they really. So we got blooms everywhere, and I came out the other day and says, Ricky, you got antennas everywhere on the garden. So I say by next week, or week and a half, they'll be ready to pick, and we'll have a mess of them. Now,
they do like last year, though. We'll have to pick them about every 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, about every 2 or 3 days, they'll just keep reproducing and everything. So, and we just sat on our front porch. Get a good big old glass of iced tea. Well, I get tea, he gets beer. And we just go to shelling peas, and then I'll freeze them and put them up. I still have 1 pack of peas in my freezer that we had from last year that I need to go ahead and cook up. As you can see, we don't really have a lot of room for a big garden or anything, but just make use of what we got.
Long is all.
Yeah, Now here's 2 of them right here that's about ready to pick. They gotta turn purple, of course.
That's the first 2 that we found.
Yep. And then after that, we'll have a whole mess of them coming in. A lot. Because as you can see, these pods grow real big. Now I did try to plant the little green lima beans, but you may get 1 or 2, if you're lucky, 3 of the little beans in each pod. And it seemed like you would shell them all day.
I only put out about twice, and that was it.
Yeah. And I only get a mess to cook. That's enough maybe for me and Nikki a little scoop and Richard a big scoop. So, but yeah, so this is our little garden update and everything. So, my strawberry bed is gone. There's just a few little strawberries in it, so this ain't nothing, but it's gonna be cleaned up. So I don't know what we'll plant in it. But anyway, so that's just our garden update. And my neighbor won't mind. Look at her apple tree. Got apples growing on it. It's so pretty. But anyway, Well, you got planted in your garden. If you have one, let me know. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. And don't worry, there'll be a video coming soon of fried green tomatoes on the Blackstone griddle. Alright, hang on, we're coming back. Richard told me if I feel like walking, there are blackberries like crazy down here in the back of the backyard. So as soon as we get down there, I'll bring you back. Oh yeah, look at that. I didn't know we had these back here. A bird must have came and provided us with this years ago. Look, I have to pick a mess of these when we get them ready.
It's ready, so I don't know.
I have to pick a bunch of these. Let Mama make some blackberry jelly or something. Hey, what is that?
Like a
Bird nest or
some
something.
kind of rat nest or something.
Well, alright. Didn't know we had this back here. Like I say, a bird
See,
must have
way
provided
back
us
in
with
there.
it.
See right yonder?
Oh, yeah. Real quick, I remember when I was a kid, we'd go to Papa's farm and visit him. As we was walking, we just would pick blackberries and eat them. Didn't think nothing about them. They'd just say wipe them off or something. We didn't wash them. Now as you get grown, you hear, you know, that's not good to do that. They're full of little spiders and stuff, but hey, I'm still here.
Reckon we just ate a mess of spiders.
Right.